Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to fix Battlefield 6 not launching or opening. So for this guys, you just need to go into, for example, your Steam, or maybe if you have the game on EA, go there. So for example, I'm just going to go to my Steam and say I want to find Battlefield. Let's say this is Battlefield. You go right click, properties, and then you go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. So this will scan your entire clients of the game. If there are any files that are corrupt or broken, the Steam or EA, they work the same in this. They will re-download your files completely newly, will refresh them and replace them, and then your game should be fixed. And one more thing you want to do is, once again, you go to Manage and Browse Local Files. You go here, then you find the executable with your game. So for example, this is the executable. You right click, properties, compatibility, and then run as compatibility, and then disable full screen optimizations and run as admin. Press apply and OK, and close out of here. And these are the fixes, guys. If they helped you out, don't forget to write a comment if they did, subscribe to the channel and like the video.